hello my fellow fan collectors and people who like vintage things. I have this nutone that's right behind me, the 52-inch ceiling fan. I know. You might ask, why is it in such a small room? Well, why not? Good air movement. So, it's from the 1995. Well, it's actually 1996, but yeah. It's a good running fan, actually. I just oiled the bearing because it actually seized up, so it barely turned on low. Now it spins freely now. Now let's get my phone on the tripod so I can give you a demonstration of the fan. This might take a minute. Sorry about that. Just get my phone because last time it fell off. Now let's get the shot. There it is, and it's beautiful brass glory. That tassel bolt change, there is no one for that fan too. I have on summer mode, and we are going to put it on low first. We go through all the speeds, and then we're going to reverse it and do it all speeds. Here's low. Still got slight bearing noise. That's after I oiled it. It's not too bad. Here's medium. This thing actually moves quite a good amount of air. It has a GE vent style on the bottom motor plate for the cover or housing. I have another one. It's not a nutone, but it looks almost identical to it. It's sitting down here on my subwoofer on my floor, which looks almost identical to this one, except it's got footprint vents on the motor housing. And I did a little sleeper setup on it. Well, I used a motor from a Palmer that didn't have blades or a mounting bracket, so I used that motor. Because the original one was underpowered for 52-inch. Anything that'll make it good. I'm gonna use this dryer sheet. Use high. This thing spins fast on high speed. Even for being mounted as a hugger. Then I turn it off, let it coast down, and then reverse it. Let's show you something real quick. So here's a belt from my Kirby G4. It was originally came from my Royal. Had a nick in it like this. But I put on my Kirby, used as a fluffer, buffer, and it snapped like that. So these belts that have a chip in them look like this. Because then they would snap really easily. Now back to the ceiling fan. Had a way longer coast down after I oiled the bearings. And when I first got it, the brass finish had smudge marks all over the whole fan, on the whole motor finish. But it cleaned up really nice. It looks like a new fan. I'll turn the light off. See it. Looks good without the light on too. I have like daylight color temperature bulbs, so it's super bright in here. I'm gonna leave those on. When it comes to a stop, I'm gonna pull it on back on the low. So it's reversed already. Here's low. Oh yeah, smell that. Good thing I have a fan in my room because I stunk my room up. Especially a window fan. Especially if it's a screen fan by Marvin. Medium. I'll show you the down rod. First, this originally didn't have a light kit on it. "16" down rod. It was on a vaulted ceiling in the living room. That's where everything covers the screw holes on the canopy. 16". Now it's built as a flush mount now. So it actually does move quite a good amount of air for those original blades. They're kind of warped, like curved from 8 years with sitting or running. Now let's put it to high. I should record it on 60 frames per second on my actual camera app on my iPhone. Instead of using YouTube to record it. And I get 4K. I didn't do that. I think it's easier to do it here off YouTube though. This is high speed in winter mode. noise OFF spells off. Yeah, never. I'm gonna go turn the light off again. Pretty good coasting after I oiled the bearings. Actually, glad I oiled the bearings. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This beautiful nutone right above me. I have a couple vintage vacuums I might upload videos of too, of me running them. I have a Kirby G4 and a Royal 992 vacuum. I'll get those videos uploaded when I get them done, or when I have time to record them. So, and feel free to leave a comment. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.